In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Klaviyo with our updated 2025 tutorial. We'll cover everything from logging in, editing your content, adding links, and even how to track your campaign's performance effectively. First, begin by opening your web browser and head over to klaviyo.com/login. Here, you'll need to log in to access your account. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now, you have a couple of options to proceed depending on whether you're working with a campaign or a flow. Navigate to Campaigns to create a fresh campaign or select an existing one, or you could go to Flows. Open your desired flow and choose the email you'd like to tweak. Next, dive into the email editor by clicking on Edit Email Content. Here, you'll find Klaviyo's intuitive drag and drop editor, which offers various blocks for text, images, and buttons, making it easy to craft your email's visual layout. Now let's talk about adding links to your text. Want to highlight phrases like shop now or view collection? Simply click on the text block, highlight the text you're targeting, and in the toolbar that appears, click on the link icon. You can then paste the URL you want the text to link to. If you'd like the link to open in a new tab, make sure to toggle that option. Once you're satisfied, click apply. Here's a pro tip. Using UTM parameters such as UTM source, Klaviyo UTM Matus campaign, spring sale, can help you track your link performance in Google Analytics, giving you insights into how well your links are performing. Moving on to buttons, these elements are ideal for calls to action like buy now or learn more. If you haven't added one already, you can drag and drop a button block into your email. With your button selected, head to the settings panel on the right, enter your desired URL under button link. Customize the button style to match your branding, and once you're happy with how it looks, click Save and Close. If you want to make an image clickable, a great strategy for banners or product photos, click on the image block. On the right-hand side, locate the image link field and pop in your URL, then save your changes. For linking to file downloads, Klaviyo allows you to upload a file by highlighting text or selecting a button, clicking the link icon, and opting for Upload File. After uploading your file, Klaviyo provides a handy hosted link for you. Simply click Apply to add it. Before sending out your newsletter, it's crucial to preview and test your links. Click on Preview and Test, then Send Test Email, and go through the test email to ensure all links direct to the correct pages or files. Lastly, once your campaign is live, it's vital to track how well your links perform. Head over to Campaigns, then Reports, and navigate to Click Rates. This report allows you to see which links attracted the most engagement, like button clicks or product links. Use this data to refine the layout and calls to action in your subsequent emails. And that wraps up our Klaviyo newsletter tutorial for 2025. By following these steps and tips, you'll be able to create a compelling newsletter that engages your audience and drives results. Thanks for watching.